everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elisha Chanté, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that's gone out their way to subscribe to this channel. I know it's coming in bits and pieces, it's not all formed yet, and I'm still growing with this channel. Obviously I've just started, but my equipment's not all arrived yet, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that's been patient with the fact that, you know, some bits are on my actual camera and other parts have been filmed on my phone. I'm just having issues at the moment with my memory card, and so I've been filming, and when I go back to watch my videos it cannot replay the video, so that's the problem I'm having at the moment. So I'm doing a little bit of research on which memory cards to use for this camera, which is the Canon M50, and I'm looking towards a SanDisk Extreme, I think it's called Extreme Pro, something like that. So I'm going to be investing in one of those this week, and hopefully by next week I'll have footage that is quality all the way through. But for the meantime, I thought I'll do a video from way back in 2017, I think it was, of me being on cruise ships. So that's a little fact about me. I used to work on cruise ships, and I've also been able to be a passenger on a cruise ship. So I've had both experiences, which has been amazing. And I thought I'd just show you what like the cabins look like, what it looks like on a sea day, like what the shops look like. I don't even know if I got a bit of a footage of the shop. I might do. Yeah, so I'll show you what I've got on my phone anyway, because I was going through my memory cards and I found all of this footage and I can't believe it. I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe I've forgotten about all of this stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what other videos you want to see from me, whether that be makeup, skincare. I know someone's mentioned they want me to do a how I use the sea moss in my day-to-day life, so I'm going to do a video about that, and that will be coming shortly. And I've got some other bits and bobs for you as well, but you guys tell me what you want to see from me as well, and I'll make that happen. So yeah, let's get into this video, and like I say, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. close my nails today. Black down here. Let me see the sky and the water. That's gorgeous. You can tell we're clearing through our heart. It's always half past 7 again. So nice. Look at the water. Huh?
Vibrations are way too much. Cunard. Is it Cunard or Cunard?
I call it Cunard.
Huh?
Cunard.
Not Cunard.
I call it Cunard.
Cunard. We are Cunard.
I said Cunard. We are Cunard.
Yes, we are Cunard. We know. We know.
What are the 4 principles?
Huh?
What are the 4 principles?
We are charismatic. What else?
Proud.
Proud, yeah.
Thoughtful.
Yeah.
And refined.
Refined. Are we really refined?
I am.
Security warning, keep kilometers away.
I think I want my own zone.
Huh?
I think I want my own zone.
Yeah.
Have you ever watched Soulful? With Kevin Hart. So basically, when he gets some money, and he makes his own like airplane line, like there's the pilot, he serves fried chicken on the plane as like his food. And the plane has like barrel wheels and stuff, and they spin around. So it's a good movie.
No, I've never watched it.